Hi guys, it's Sarah Taylor. This is a 24 by 36 inch acrylic on canvas called Mirror's Edge. It's a open cup that was promising, gone wrong, turned swipe. So starting with a black pillow, 3 open cups, and the colors here are DecoArt Extreme Sheen Gold. That's a bronze Dick Blick and a golden heavy body, white and Payne's gray. And then the green is the green that I used from my Gold Vein series. It's a Liquitex green mixed with some golden turquoise and a bit of black. So this open cup was looking pretty good. I liked the cells that were happening and just kind of layering in the paints and letting the cup float in 3 different areas there. And you know, when you lift the cup, sometimes you get a blob, so I did a little bit of a design in the middle. And I did a nice black flow layer around to get the paint to move. Torched it for air bubbles. And I'm not sure, honestly, what went wrong. I'm gonna experiment more with open cup pour, and I've really liked some results that I've seen with this technique. I think that the green really threw me off on this piece. It was something that I was going to create to kind of go with a series that I made called Gold Vein. And I just, you know, looking at it right here, I just didn't like the composition, the green and the copper. So I put down the middle a kind of a cell activator that I have mixed up with some Amsterdam paint, some gloss medium. It's kind of a little bit of a bloom recipe because I'd experimented with bloom a little bit. So I like to use it for swipes because it gives you some kind of nice lacing. And it has a little bit of, I actually use teak oil instead of the Miniwax wood conditioner that is popular. And I just had some teak oil around, so I thought I'd give it a try. And it works actually really well. And so I went ahead and swiped it with a wet paper towel. And at this point, I liked it. I didn't really like those huge pillowy gold cells at the bottom of the screen from your angle. And then I redid that one section and I really liked it because it has some black and white definition and it just looked really cool. So I'm going to kind of try to match that style through the rest of the canvas. And after I'm done swiping, I do quite a bit of detail work just with a palette knife, bringing in more black and white and just giving it more definition. And I really like how it turned out. I varnished it with Liquitex high gloss varnish, kind of a float finish. I did 2 coats, and you'll see the varnish in the photos at the end. There's one photo that shows the varnish coat because it really needed some high gloss finish to really define it and bring it up to life. And then I painted the edges of the canvas black, just because they were pretty messy, so I cleaned it up with some black paint on the edges. And yeah, pretty good swipe result. You know, sometimes when a painting goes wrong, it gets swiped, but then swipes can be really beautiful. So I hope you enjoy it, and if you have any questions, let me know. My Instagram is @sarahtaylor.modernart, and go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be putting more videos up soon, and I hope you enjoy this one. Have a beautiful day wherever you are. Take great care.